Hi, Dave Lawson. Welcome back to another Feature Spotlight video. Today, we wanted to show you the simple operation of our Allure Easy Glide Sleeper Sofa. Very convenient. You do not have to remove any cushions, store them off to the side. The operation is very simple. You're going to grab your strap, you're going to lift up, and you're going to pull straight out. This is going to provide you your sleeping position. Again, very easy, no removal of cushions. To put this away, what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab your strap, you're going to lift to one click. Now, if you do 2 clicks, you're going to have to start the procedure over. You're simply going to do 1 click and you're going to slide the sofa back into position. Very easy, very convenient.